What's up, YouTube? So I'm going to be drilling some titanium. I got a new drill press that I'm operating right now. And as you can see, these are some hyperstep drill bits. And so I'm going to be drilling a 1/4 inch hole. I'm going to be testing out this hyperstep bit as well. I don't know if these are cobalt, but this one is. So we'll see the difference. Alright, so the first drill bit I'm going to use is this one from this kit, the can cut. I believe that's how you pronounce that. But yeah, I'm going to drill a 1/4 inch hole right into there. I'm going to use some cutting fluid. And it's on the lowest speed, which is 500. Let's see. That was nice. I've never had it cut so nicely before. That was fucking nice. Never. Usually I eat it up like a drill bit doing one. That was amazing. That was freaking amazing. And the drill bit isn't even hot. That's freaking wild. And we'll try the other one. The cobalt. I'll lube her up. I'll put the plate under there. Damn. That's why I put the gloves on.
So this is where I'm going to end it, right there. You guys can see which one worked better. Obviously it was the first one, the can cut, and those are fucking nice bits. I didn't like how that second bit worked. I did try it again afterwards, and I still didn't like how it worked. So go with those can cuts. They're the best.